Okay, we are leaving our house right outside, and this is it, day one. It is 10:30. We are leaving 3.5 hours later than we wanted to, but that's okay.
San Diego to Phoenix.
3, 2, 1, go! We're stupid. Oh, sorry.
I also thought you were giving me this one first.
Oh, no.
We're shooting like this thing.
No, that's dumb.
I am thoroughly lost. We only left the house about
Okay,
2 minutes
so
ago.
apparently, I'm great at directions. Teresa's not great at directions. And I
Just
said,
kidding, I'm not
go
friendly.
here. And she said, I don't know where that is. So I said, okay, then go here, like the next closest place. And, yeah, take it right here. She doesn't know how to go anywhere, like, immediately outside of our house. Important tip for traveling is don't go somewhere where it's more than 110 degrees, because if you go there, then everyone is hot, and then you're stuffed in the little car for a long period of time, and it's hot, and then people get cranky, and then they do stupid things like where's your face? Ow. Display game going. We're gonna check off all of the license plates that we find. We found 4 so far.
So Josh has a bee in his pants.
Oh, buddy! Buddy, it's okay. You can get out of here. That's okay, buddy. You can come on out. I know, my leg provides shade, doesn't it? I just don't want to hurt you, okay? Okay, good job, buddy. Bye-bye! Oh, no one's driving the car! I'm going on a trip, and I'm going to bring an avocado, a banana, and a cucumber.
I'm gonna bring an avocado, a banana, a cucumber, and a durian.
Guess we're going with foods. I was just about to say carrot, but I'm on K.
What's after F?
G.
Oh. Gourd.
And a
You about to say avocado?
and an orange.
Okay. Alright, I'm bringing an avocado, banana, cucumber, durian, eggplant, fig.
Ah! We should have said butterworth for B.
This is the second time today he has screamed really loudly, and I think I'm about to like get in a car crash or something, but no, it's something stupid. Like what we should have said.
Continue.
Avocado. What is being now?
Just keep it what it was.
What was it?
Oh no! I tricked you.
Avocado.
You said it so many times. It's an easy one.
Bacon.
No!
A bag of chips. I don't remember.
It's an easy one.
Banana!
Yes!
Banana! I'm bringing a banana! Cucumber!
Avocado, a banana, a cucumber, a durian, an eggplant, a fig, a gourd, a hash brown, an icy, a jackfruit, a kale, lettuce, a muffin, a nugget, an orange, a pineapple, a ratatouille, a sausage, a tortilla, upside down cake.
An umbrella. A ukulele! Eucalyptic. That's an E. Well, it
It's
has the
eucalyptus.
sound U.
Okay, well, so does carrot, has the K
So
sound.
don't make fun of me because you did the same thing.
Uncle.
Yeah, let's just eat our uncle, Josh.
Hey, edible. It's a food. It's just cannibalism. Unicorn. A nice juicy turd from a unicorn's bottom. You! I'll eat you!
Moody's bread.
Booty? Maybe it's like a mushroom? Like.
Do you know the names of mushrooms?
No, I don't know the names of mushroom.
An umbrella-shaped cake.
Uber Eats.
Uber Eats.
Ugg it.
Why is you so hard? An Ugg roll.
Ugg boots.
Wash has the letter U in it.
Uno.
Because like.
Souffle. So like I'm trying to think of like a. There's no U at all in smoothie. I'm trying to think of like a breakfast. Like there's eggs and pancakes and.
Is there a candy bar starts with U?
It's still like a brand name.
It's not a brand name. It's the name of the food. Like a Reese's. That's the name of the food.
Oh, it's the name of the brand.
Well, what would you call that?
Peanut butter cup.
Well, what would you call like a Three Musketeers?
Chocolate bar with white stuff in the middle.
It's not white. It's brown.
What? No.
Three Musketeers
is the
has-
white stuff.
No, it has chocolate filling.
No.
Yes.
It has the white marshmallow filling.
No.
Yes.
That's a s'more.
A s'more. No, that's not even a chocolate bar.
Three Musketeers. The inside is brown.
Marshmallow.
It might be marshmallow, but it's dyed brown.
No.
Yes.
It's white. A white
If you-
marshmallow.
You cut it open, it's gonna be brown inside.
Oh my word. You. Can we just skip you?
Okay, the next one.
Maybe we're gonna go with vole. Just like we went with quail.
And then
W.
Oh, water.
A, water. We didn't go drinks, we said food.
Whoa.
A walnut. A walnut. Okay.
WX.
Xenophobia.
That, we can eat that up.
We can eat it up. Just get rid of all the.
Destroy xenophobia.
Okay.
XY.
A yam.
A zogot.
A zygote? Is that what you're trying to say? You mean like a baby embryo?
What does that say? It's mom.
It's mom. I don't know. She said you tried to call or something. Well,
I'm
okay.
gonna respond to mom.
Okay, we're done here.